Hey there, techies! Today, we've got some electrifying news straight from the heart of Cupertino. Apple is reportedly launching its own password manager app, and it's about time. Stick around because we're diving deep into this exciting development. That's right, Apple is set to unveil its brand new password manager at the Worldwide Developers Conference on June 10th. This move could shake up the digital security landscape, and here's why you should be excited. Apple is coming to dethrone the likes of 1Password and LastPass on the iPhone. But what makes this app stand out? The Passwords app will reportedly allow users to import their passwords from other password managers seamlessly. It will categorize your passwords into various lists, including sections for passwords, Wi-Fi networks, and passkeys. How cool is that? And get this, the app is expected to work on Apple Vision Pro headsets and Windows devices too. Apple is truly stepping up its game. But that's not all. The WWDC will also feature a slew of AI-related announcements across iOS, macOS, iPadOS, watchOS, tvOS, and visionOS. We've heard that Siri is getting a major upgrade in collaboration with ChatGPT. So mark your calendars for June 10th. This WWDC is set to be a game changer. Stay tuned to our channel for all the latest updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. This is Skander signing off.